So you got the girl's number, you somehow convinced her to go on a date with you, and now you don't know what to do. Well, that's where I come in. I'm gonna show you guys my perfect routine for getting ready for a date that's gonna put you in the best position to seal the deal. And if you follow these steps as closely as possible, you can put yourself in the best position too. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I do is hop in the shower because it's definitely likely that I just left the gym, so I'm probably pretty sweaty and stinky, so I want to take care of that real quick. So obviously I wash my hair. I don't want sticky, greasy hair going into the date, but I also wash my body. And I actually teamed up with Grooming Lounge for this video. So I'm testing out their body wash. It's called Our Best Smeller. What I like about this brand is they have funky names for all their products, but I've been really digging this body wash lately, so that's what I'm using. And it's actually an award-winning body wash, and it smells just like sweet black pepper that I really like, and I know girls really dig it too. So be ready to get some comments, because you're about to be living a real-life Axe commercial. Then I wash my face, obviously. Then you want to hop out of the shower and dry yourself off as best as possible. I dry my hair, but not completely. I want a little bit of moisture in it so I can style it properly. Then I throw some moisturizer on my face because I don't want to have dry, cracked up skin, you know, going into the date. Then, of course, apply some deodorant to your stinky pits. You don't want to be radiating any stench going into this date. Brush my teeth, of course. You don't want bad breath. That's a big no-no. That's an easy way to not get a second date. After that, I put in some whitening strips on my teeth because, you know, I want to make sure my pearly whites are nice and white. So I just leave that in while I'm getting ready, and then I take them out right before I take off. Next thing I do is use Grooming Lounge's Super Powder. This is a light and fresh talcum powder. It helps keep your junk comfortable and dry. You know, it's a sweat absorbing and friction reducing formula. It makes sure you don't have any funky odors going on. It's definitely important if you end up having that special moment at the end of the night. The last thing you want is a stinky, sweaty crotch area. So Grooming Lounge is offering you guys an awesome deal actually. They're offering the body wash as well as the super powder for only $20, which is 50% off the normal pricing. So I'll put the link to that in the description below, but you can just use the code MAV20 to get this excellent deal, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So click on the link in the description and go check them out, guys. Next thing I do is do my hair, and I've made multiple videos on this, so I'll just put those on the screen. I'm not going to go through that whole thing, but you can click on that video to find out exactly what I do. Most of my hair is looking good. It's time to get dressed. I tend to stick to casual with just a hint of formal. So what I'm throwing on now is some black chinos, a gray t-shirt in case I'm just lounging around later, you know, with the girl. I throw on a black sports coat at the end just to top it off with a bit of classiness. And of course, I want to put on some fragrance, give myself a wink and a nod, take out those whitening strips, and then I am ready to go. So you got yourself looking dapper and smelling fresh. What else do you need to do? You need to clean your car and clean your room. No girl wants to climb into a car with Cheetos and wrappers laying all over the place. That's an easy way to get a hug and yeah, maybe I'll see you around at the end of the date. So clean your car, clean your room, clean your bathroom, at least wipe down the mirror, because if you end up bringing the girl back to your place at the end of the night, she's gonna wanna see that you're a responsible adult and can take care of your living quarters. Also, just a little pro tip for you guys, it's definitely not a bad idea to have some wine and wine glasses there and ready at your place. Not only is alcohol a great social lubricant, but it's an excellent reason to bring the girl back home. Psst, girls love wine. Alright guys, other than that, be confident, be yourself. Maybe I'll do another video on how to actually behave on the date itself. But follow these steps, you're gonna put yourself in a great position to have an excellent first date. And just real quick guys, don't forget to check out my kit at Grooming Lounge. The link is in the description. It's an awesome deal that I would hate for you guys to miss out on. You get the body wash and the powder for only $20. Get it while you can because this deal won't last forever. Thanks for watching guys. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the post notification button, and until next time, peace out.